So let's come back to the point where we say that cheating is wrong. Does not matter if it's a woman or a man. It's wrong, totally wrong. And I feel like the this culture of practicing, men always cheating, and it has become to me it has come to a point where it's so irritating that a woman feels like it's a man will always be a man at the end of the day. It's so wrong, darling. If you're speaking like that, then you don't know your worth. You don't know what you're worth. It's so sad to be thinking that there's a lady out there whose husband is cheating on her, and she's so calm about it. It's so sad. And it's the reason why I basically wanted to touch on this, because it has become a norm. It has become normal. And it is not. It's not normal. The fact that a woman tells herself this name is really so sad. It means that this person does not really know her worth. And a lot of people say that me shumupo marunga, the day that you're getting married and stuff. They tell you that men are scarce, men are really hard to find, fight for your man, and all those things. Yes, fight for a man who's worth fighting for. Take this in note. Fight for a man who's worth fighting for. Let go of a man who's not worth fighting for. It's very important. It's very important that you come back to that self-love, self-worth. And thinking that a lot of women really judge women that leave marriages. And stop telling yourself that he loves you. No way a man who loves you would cheat on you. No, guys, the fact that it has become so normal for me is so scary, because this person is telling you that no, darling, he does not love you. If someone loves you, he wouldn't want to hurt you. And cheating is something very big. Even though men have say that no, a man can cheat and not cheat with feelings, but a woman can cheat and then catch feelings. It's so wrong, guys. It's so sad that you listen to these things. So the message for today is that I wanted to tell you that it's wrong for a man to cheat on you, darlings. Does not matter if it's your husband, boyfriend, life partner. Wrong. It's wrong. Stop justifying such things, but I have been dating for 10 years. No, it's wrong. I'm not saying don't forgive him, but I'm just trying to tell you that it's wrong. Some of those things are wrong, and they become so normal in daily life that your husband or your man, your boyfriend cheats on you, you're like, it's fine, just because you want him to put a ring on your finger. At the end of the day, it's your feelings, it's you, it's your health. There are things like HIV and AIDS, STIs. So yeah, that is the message for today. And as always, I also preach. So guys, who am I to leave you without Song of the Week? So Song of the Week this week goes to none other than Esho with Oyemo Kuhongo. It's so super exciting in the fact that it teaches you, it has a message. It's a song to die for, guys. And I feel so sad for the people that do not understand the words, because she's speaking to your soul right now. Nawe uye mavi kukongorere, mavi kupoma tree, oh yeah, mau kuhongo yeah. makundiyo ndimbasha inokurira mundu ati ndinondimbasha hinakurira ndinondihineho the metotitha bothia medemburuko dhombura nendumba morotha. Guys, Esho for you, Esho for you. This song is so amazing, and the fact that it has a message so strong is so amazing.